Welcome! In this video I will show how you can record audio on iPhone. So first thing that you need to do is to find the Voice Memos app. So you can just use your built-in iPhone app search and look for the Voice Memos application. Now launch it. Here press continue, and to start the voice recording or sound recording, simply tap at this rec button right over here. Now, as you can see, the new recording has been started, so, well, once you are ready to finish it, tap on this button here. And that's the result that you're going to get. Right over here. Now, as you can see, the new recording has been started, so, well, once you are ready to finish it, tap on this button. From here, you can share it and, well, save it to your Files app. Here's the option at the very bottom. And well, that will be more or less it. So, should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.